My dear students, let us discuss this question. Integration of 1 upon under root of sine cube x into sine x plus alpha dx is equal to dash. Options are given here. So I don't want to read the options right now. It's a waste of time right now. So I'll just proceed the direct answer. Let us see the answer. At the end, we will see the options which is correct. So I is equal to 1 upon. What is the idea of this one? I'll tell you. It is there in under root of sine cube x. So this sine cube x, this under root should come out. Means this under root should be removed first of all. This then only this can be possible, because you can see options sine alpha came outside of the under root. The answer is not inside of the under root. So what is the idea should be there? Something should be come out from the under root. So what I do here I is equal to integration 1 upon under root of sine cube x. You know this is sine a plus b formula, correct? Sine a plus b formula, can anybody say? Yeah, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So sine x into cos alpha plus cos x into sine alpha dx. I hope you understand. And upon, so to get sine cube x out, what I do here, I take sine x common in this. So I take sine x common. Here is left cos alpha plus, if I take sine x common, there is no sine x, means that will be divided. So cos x upon sine x into sine alpha. So what I am getting here, integration 1 upon under root of sine cube x into sine x, that is sine power 4x, under bracket cos alpha plus, this is can be written as cot x into sine alpha. Hope you understand. This sine power 4x, right? Sine power 4x under root is cos x square. See here, this is I can write as 1 upon sine square x. This is square root cancel. So sine square x whole square, right? Mod sine square x whole square. So they will be given in the question. There is a condition for x greater than 0. So whatever it may be, like under root of sine square x, under root of sine square x. So this will be come out 1 by sine square x. 1 by sine square x is nothing but cos x square x. So the answer is cos x square x dx. Hope you understand. The range of cos x square x you know very well. So cos x square x dx upon under root of what is left here, cos alpha plus cot x into sine alpha. Understood? Now what I do here, I'll take now denominator this under root 1 t, and then I will solve. Okay, let us take here cos alpha plus cot x into sine alpha is equal to t. This is a constant number. Differentiation of cos alpha is 0. Cot x integration of differentiation of cot x is minus cos x square x into sine alpha. This is a constant number. Dx is equal to dt. So cos x square x into sine alpha dx is equal to minus dt. Cos x square x dx is equal to minus dt by sine alpha. Reason is what I do here, cos x square x dx is now replaced with minus dt by sine alpha. And you can know that this was, I took t, so you got root t. So the integration is converted. I is equal to 1 upon root t, and this one dx I can write as minus dt by sine alpha. So I is equal to 1 upon sine alpha is a constant number, will come out, minus 1 upon sine alpha, and this is I can write t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So I is equal to minus 1 upon sine alpha, t power half upon half plus c. This 2 will send to the numerator. So minus 2 upon sine alpha root t plus c. So I is equal to minus 2 upon sine alpha under root of t value. What is t value? T is nothing but cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha. So I can write as cos alpha plus cot x plus sine alpha plus c. So minus 2 upon sine alpha. This I can write as cos alpha is cos alpha plus cot x I can write as cos x by sine x. Okay, into sine alpha plus c. I can do LCM here. Hope you understand here. So I just remove this cot x. I replaced as cos x upon sine x formula. Sine x take the LCM. Sine x becomes the sine x into cos alpha plus cos x into sine alpha. You can see on the numerator, you can observe clearly cos a cos b plus sine a sine b, like here, that format. Okay, understood. So which formula is here? sin A plus B formula, correct? So what I can use that one, so I can write here minus 2 upon sin alpha under root of sin x plus alpha upon sin x plus c. So you can see minus 2 upon sin alpha under root of sin x plus alpha upon sin x plus c. It shows option B. Option B is the right answer. Very good. Well done. Now let us go for another question. This is homework to you because these model I explained 3 problems on based on these models in the previous yesterday's lecture. Let a function f of x be defined such that f dash of x square is equal to x cube for all x greater than 0. If f of 1 is equal to 1, find f of 4. See here, you do today. I explained already 3-4 model problems on this. You do it today. If you not get, tomorrow morning you will get the video solution. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.